Hello and welcome to 3D Printronix. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install the post processor for OpenBuild's WorkBee CNC router. Please note, this tutorial shows the post processor which has to be used in Fusion 360 along with OpenBuild's WorkBee CNC router, which is used with genuine OpenBuild's black box motion controller system. So let's begin. In order to download the OpenBuild's Fusion 360 post processor, you will go to this link. We have given this link in video description. Once you open this page, you will click on code and you will download the file. You will download this zip file. You can save this file wherever you want in your system, like we have already saved one file here. Once you right click and you will click on extract to OpenBuild's folder, you will get a folder like this in your system. You will go to this folder and you will just copy this file. Once you copy this file, you can paste this file anywhere in your system wherever you want to keep your post processor files. So for example, I have created one folder in Windows C drive by the name of my post processor, and I have kept all my post processors in this folder. So once you paste the file here, you will open your Fusion 360 and you will go to the manufacturer section, that is the CAM section of Fusion 360, and then you will go to the post process tab and you will click on this. Please note, once you click on this tab, this window will only open if you have a valid toolpath defined here. If there is no toolpath defined or if there is nothing here, if you click on this tab, nothing will open. Now we will click on setup. You can see here there are different libraries which contains different types of post processors. So we will want to use this first option, that is use personal post library, which will contain only the post processors which you have installed, which are not pre-installed in Fusion 360. For pre-installed post processors in Fusion 360, we can either use this second option or we can also use this option. So we will click here. Once you click on this first option, this default path will open. This is the path where Fusion 360 stores all your personal post processors which you have downloaded and installed. So it is not necessary that you have to keep all your personal post processors in this path only. You can also keep them wherever you want. So suppose now I will click on this Windows C drive and my post processor and I will select this folder. So you will just have to select this folder where you have kept your post processors. Once you select the folder, both the post processors or all the post processors which are there in that folder will start displaying here, and you can select whatever post processor you want. Since we are doing it for WorkBee, we will select this post processor, and this is your output folder where your G-code will be saved. You can change this path as well and you can save your G-code wherever you want. So once everything is done, you will simply click on post and your G-code will be saved. So this is a very simple and a easy method to download and install the WorkBee post processor for Fusion 360. Thank you.